This is maths question paper, set number 1430/4/2. This set has come in March 2024 and this is section A. This section comprises multiple choice questions, MCQs of 1 mark each. Its first question is, if sin theta is 1, then the value of 1/2 sin theta by 2 is. There are 4 options. Now sin theta is 1, it means theta is equal to pi by 2. Now 1/2 sin theta by 2. After substituting the value, you will get 1/2 into 1/√2. That is 1/2√2. So A is the option. Now the second question is, the ratio of total surface area of a solid hemisphere to the square of its radius is. There are 4 options. Now total surface area of a solid hemisphere is 3 pi r square. Square of its radius is r square. Find the ratio. You will get 3 pi ratio 1. So C is the option. Now the third question is, in the given figure, QR is a common tangent to the two given circles touching externally at A. The tangent at A meets QR at P. If AP is 4.2 cm, then the length of QR is. There are 4 options. Now this is the figure. AP is given 4.2 cm. If AP is 4.2 cm, it means QP is again a tangent and length of these two tangents are equal. So QP is 4.2 cm. Similarly, this is tangent. Again, this is tangent to this circle and length of these two tangents are equal. So this is again 4.2 cm. So length of QR is equal to QP plus PR. It means 4.2 plus 4.2, that is 8.4 cm. It means C is the option. So this is what I have written here and you can check, and that is the option. So C is the option. Now the fourth question is, in the given figure, angle C is equal to angle D is equal to 90 degree. Angle B is equal to 60 degree and AP is 3 cm. Then the area of the shaded region is. There are 4 options. Now angle B is equal to 60 degree and they both are 90 degrees. So we can find this angle. 360 minus sum of these 3 angles will come out to be 120 degree. So this angle is 120 degree. We have to find the area of this shaded region, and so area of the sector is theta by 360 into pi r square. So after calculation we will get, this will come out to be 3 pi centimeter square. So I have written it here. First I have found the angle A, then area of the shaded region, that will come out to be 3 pi centimeter square. So A is the option. Now fifth question, if the mean of 6, 7, P, 8, Q, 14 is 9, then there are 4 options. You have to find the correct one. Now mean of this is 9. So it means 6 plus 7 plus P plus 8 plus Q plus 14 upon 6, because they are 6 in numbers, is equal to 9. Calculate it, you will get P plus Q is equal to 19. So B is the option. Now the question number 6. At some time of a day, the length of the shadow of a tower is equal to its height. Then the sun's altitude at that time is. We have to find the angle. So there are 4 options. But let this is the tower and this is the shadow. And let tower is h meter and shadow is x meter. And both are equal. So we have to find this angle C. So length of the shadow is equal to its height. So h is equal to x and h by x is equal to tan theta. H by h, because x is equal to h, I can write it here as h. So is equal to tan theta. Tan theta is 1 when tan theta is 1 when theta is pi by 4. So B is the option. 7th question. If an arc subtends an angle of 90 degree at the center of a circle, then the ratio of its length to the circumference of the circle is. We have to find the right one. Now this is circle and this angle is 90 degree, and we have to find the ratio of this length and the circumference of this circle. So first we will find this length. Formula for that is theta by 360 into 2 pi r, and that will come out to be pi r by 2. Circumference of the circle is 2 pi r. Find the ratio. It will come out to be 1:4. So B is the option. Now the 8th question. If ax plus by is equal to a square minus b square and bx plus ay is equal to 0, then the value of x plus y is, there are 4 options. Now we have these two equations, add them, you will get a plus b, x plus b plus a y is equal to a square minus b square. This thing can be written as a minus b, a plus b, and here I am going to take a plus b as common. So x plus y will come out to be a minus b. So C is the option. Now the 9th question. In a given figure, AB and AC are tangents to a circle. If angle ABC is 42 degrees, then the measure of BAC is, there are 4 options. Now this figure is given to us. Now we know tangents drawn from an external point to the circle are of equal length. It means AB is equal to AC. It means opposite angles of an equal sides are equal. It means if this angle is 42, then this angle is 42. And if I know the two angles of a triangle, I can find the third one. So that will come out to be 96 degree. I have written it here and you can check it, and answer is 96 degree. So A is the option. Now 10th question. If the determinant of the quadratic equation 3x square minus 2x plus c is equal to 0 is 16, then the value of c is, there are 4 options. Now this is the quadratic equation. So determinant is b square minus 4ac, that is 4 minus 12c will come, and determinant is given 16. It means 4 minus 12c is 16. Value of c will come out to be minus 1. So C is the option. Now 11th question. The fourth vertex D of a parallelogram ABCD whose 3 vertices are given. Now there are 4 options. Now these are the 3 vertices and let D be x and y. Now we know diagonals of a parallelogram bisect each other. So midpoint of AC is equal to midpoint of BD. Find the midpoint of AC, find the midpoint of BD. So this is equal to this and this is equal to this. Here you will be able to find the value of x and y. That will come out to be 0 and minus 1. So B is the option. Now the 12th question is, 2 dice are tossed simultaneously. The probability of getting odd number on both the dice is, there are 4 options. So number of elements in a sample space is 36. Now probability of getting odd number on both the dice. But the odd number on both the dice means you can get 1 3, 1 5, 1 1, 3 1, 3 5, 3 3, 5 1, 5 3, 5 5. There are 9 in number. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9. So that is equal to 9 by 36. So D is the option. Now 13th question. 2 lines are given to be parallel. The equation of one of these lines is 5x minus 3y is equal to 2. The equation of second line can be, there are 4 options. आपको ढूंढना है कि इसके साथ कौन सी लाइन पैरेलल आएगी. For 2 lines to be parallel, the condition is a1 by a2 is equal to b1 by b2 is not equal to c1 by c2. So if we check this D part, which is minus 15x plus 9y is equal to 5, here we will see minus 1 by 3 is equal to minus 1 by 3 is not equal to 2 by 5. So D is the option. D satisfies the condition. So D is the option. Now in triangle ABC, DE is parallel to BC as shown in the figure. If AD is 4 cm, AB is 9 cm and AC is 13.5 cm, you are to find the length of EC. So here if this is 9 cm, AD is 4 cm, then DB is 5 cm. Similarly, if AE, I take this as X and this whole length is 13.5, then EC is 13.5 minus X. Now this is parallel to this. It means AD by DB is equal to AE by EC. So substitute the values and you will get the result 6. So which is the option? A is the option. Now the 15th question. From the letter of the word mobile, a letter is selected at random. The probability that the selected letter is a vowel is, there are 4 options. Now the word is mobile. There are 6 letters. There are 3 vowels in it. One is O, I and E. Probability selected letter is a vowel. That is 3 upon 6. That is 1 by 2. So C is the option. 16th question. If 3825 is equal to 3 raised to power x into 5 raised to power y into 17 raised to power z, then the value of x plus y minus 2z is. There are 4 options. Now factorize it. You will get 3 raised to power 2 into 5 raised to power 2 into 17. It means this is equal to this. Here 3 raised to power 2, here 3 raised to power x. So value of x is 2, value of y is 2, value of z is 1. Now substitute this value here in this equation and you will get 2. So C is the option. 17th question. A quadratic polynomial, one of whose zeros is 2 plus root 5 and the sum of whose zeros is 4 is. There are 4 options. You have to find a quadratic polynomial. Now let alpha and beta are the zeros of this polynomial. So let alpha is equal to given 2 plus root 5. Alpha plus beta is equal to 4. So instead of alpha write 2 plus root 5 plus beta is equal to 4. You will get the value of beta as 2 minus root 5. So one zero is 2 plus root 5. The other 0 is 2 minus root 5. So find alpha beta. You will get minus 1. So write the polynomial x square minus alpha plus beta x plus alpha beta. Substitute the values. So you will get the polynomial x square minus 4x minus 1. So B is the option. Now the 18th question. If the first 3 terms of an AP are 3p minus 1, 3p plus 5, 5p plus 1 respectively, then the value of p is, there are 4 options. Now they are in AP. So it means common difference is the same. It means this minus this is equal to this minus this. Now solve this and you will get the value of p, which is equal to 10 by 2, that is equal to 5. So D is the option. Questions number 19 and 20 are assertion and reason based questions. 2 statements are given, one labeled as assertion A and the other is labeled as reason R. Select the correct answer to these questions from the code ABCD as given below. Now code A is both assertion A and reason R are true and reason R is the correct explanation of assertion A. B, both assertion A and reason R are true but reason R is not the correct explanation of assertion A. C, assertion A is true but reason R is false. D, assertion A is false but reason R is true. On the next page, questions are written. Now the 19th question, assertion A. If the circumference of a circle is 176 centimeter, then its radius is 28 centimeter. Reason, circumference is equal to 2 pi into radius of a circle. Now assertion A, 2 pi r is equal to 176. Find the value of r, that is equal to 28. So that is a true statement. So assertion A is a true statement. Reason R is again a true statement. Now reason R is the correct explanation of the assertion A. So A is the option. Now the 20th question, assertion A. Midpoint of a line segment divides the line segment in the ratio 1:1. Reason R. The ratio in which the point minus 3k divides the line segment joining the points minus 5, 4 and minus 2, 3 in the ratio 1:2. Now this is a true statement, but this is a false statement. Here if you solve this, it will come out to be minus 3k divides the line segment joining the points this in the ratio 2:1. I am going to solve it here. Now let this point is P and this is minus 3k and coordinates of A are minus 5, 4, coordinates of B are minus 2, 3. This point divides this line segment in the ratio lambda ratio 1. So I am going to find the value of lambda. So minus 3 is equal to minus 2 lambda minus 5 upon lambda plus 1. When you solve this, you will get minus lambda minus 2. It means lambda is equal to 2. So point minus 3k divides line segment joining the point this in the ratio 2:1. So that is a false statement. So C is the option. Because assertion A is true statement, but reason R is a false statement. So C is the option. Section B. This section comprises very short answers type questions of 2 marks each. Now 21, first question A part, evaluate. You are to evaluate. So you know the values of cos 60 degree which is 1/2, sec 30 degree which is 2 upon root 3, tan 45 degree which is 1, sin 30 degree which is half, sin 60 degree which is root 3/2. Substitute the values, calculate it. After solving it, you will get the result 67/2. 12. Now 21 B part. If sine A minus B is 1 by 2, cos A plus B is 1 by 2, then find angle A and angle B. Now sine A minus B is 1 by 2. 1 by 2 means sine 30 degree. It means A minus B is 30 degree. Cos A plus B is 1 by 2. 1 by 2 is cos 60 degree. So A plus B is equal to 60 degree. By elimination method, find the value of A and B, which will come out to be 45 degree and 15 degree. So that is the answer. Now 22nd question. In the given figure, triangle AHK is similar to triangle ABC. If AK is 8 cm, BC is 3.2 cm and HK is 6.4 cm, then find the length of AC. This figure is given to us. So AK is given 8 cm, HK 6.4 cm and BC 3.2 cm. I am to find this length. I have taken this as X. So since two triangles are similar, so their sides are proportional. So take the help of this and substitute the values here. You will find the length of AC as 4 cm. So that is the answer. Now 23rd question. In a school there are two sections of class 10. There are 40 students in the first section and 48 students in the second section. Determine the minimum number of books for their class library so that they can be distributed equally among students of both the sections. Now, how you will solve this question? You will find the LCM of 40 and 48. Find the LCM of this. 40 can be written as 2 raised to power 3 into 5. 48 can be written as 2 raised to power 4 into 3. So LCM of 40 and 48 is 2 raised to power 4 into 5 into 3. That will be equal to 240. So 240 is the answer. Now 24th A part. The minute hand of a clock is 14 cm long. Find the area on the face of the clock described by the minute hand in 5 minutes. How you will do this? In 60 minutes, angle made by the minute hand is 360 degree. In 1 minute, the angle made is 360 upon 60, that is 6 degree. In 5 minutes, angle made by the minute hand is 30 degree. 6 into 5, that is 30 degree. R here is 14 centimeter. So area of the sector is theta by 360 pi r square. And you will calculate it. You will get 154 upon 3 square centimeter. That is the answer. Now 24th question B part. Find the length of the arc of a circle which subtends an angle of 60 degree at the center of the circle of radius 42 centimeter. Length of the arc is theta by 360 into 2 pi r. So here theta is 60 degree, r is 42 centimeter. Length of the arc is, just substitute the value, you will get 44 centimeter. Now 25th question. In the given figure, O is the center. If angle AOB is 145 degree, then find the value of X. Now this figure is given to us. I am to find this angle X. We are to find this angle. If this angle is 145 degree, just made a construction here. And this angle will be 145 upon 2, that is 72.5 degree. If this angle is 72.5 degree, then this angle will be 107.5 degree. Now see here, angle D is 145 upon 2, that is 72.5 degree. Why? The angle made by the arc AB at the center is double the angle made by it on the remaining part of the circle. We know that. It means if this is 145 degree, this is half of this angle. So this angle is 145 upon 2, that is 72.5 degree. Now this is a cyclic quadrilateral. So we know sum of these two angles is 180 degree. So if this is 72.5 degree, then this will be 107.5 degree. So X is equal to 180 minus 72.5, that is 107.5 degree. Now section C. This section comprises short answer type questions of 3 marks each. 26th question. 3 coins are tossed simultaneously. What is the probability of getting at least one head, exactly 2 tails, at most 1 tail? Now in a sample space, there are 8 elements. If 3 coins are tossed, then these are 8 elements in a sample space. So number of elements in a sample space is 8. Probability at least one head, that is 7 by 8. Probability exactly 2 tails, that is 3 by 8. Probability at most 1 tail, that is 4 by 8. That is 1 by 2. That is the answer. Now 26th question B part. A box contains 90 discs which are numbered 1 to 90. If one disc is drawn at random from the box, find the probability that it bears a, first question is 2-digit number less than 40. Second, number divisible by 5 and greater than 50. Third, a perfect square number. Now, in a sample space, there are 90 numbers. So, probability 2-digit number less than 40 is there 13 number, 30 upon 90, that is 1 by 3. Probability number divisible by 5 and greater than 50, they are 55, 60, 65, 70, 75, 80, 85, 90. They are 8 in number. So, that is equal to 8 by 90. So, answer is 4 by 45. And the last one is probability of perfect square. They are 9 in number. So, probability is 9 by 90, that is equal to 1 by 10. What are those 9 numbers? 1, 4, 9, 16, 25, 36, 49, 64, 81. So, they are 9 in number. And the probability is 9 by 90, that is 1 by 10. Now, 27th question. Prove that the parallelogram circumscribing a circle is a rhombus. Now, here ABCD is a parallelogram which circumscribe a circle with center O. We are to prove ABCD is a rhombus. Now, ABCD is a parallelogram circumscribing a circle. So, to prove ABCD is a rhombus. Now, it means we are to prove AB is equal to BC is equal to CD is equal to DA. Now, its proof is ABCD is a parallelogram, opposite sides are equal. It means AB is equal to CD, BC is equal to AD. We know tangent drawn from an external point to the circle are of equal length. AP and AS are the tangents. They are of equal length. So, AP is equal to AS. Similarly, PB is equal to BQ. And RC is equal to CQ. And RD is equal to DS. This is what I have written here. Now, add this and add this. You will get this is equal to this. Now, here AP plus PB is AB. RC plus RD is CD. AS plus DS is AD. BQ plus CQ is BC. CD is equal to AB and AD is equal to BC because opposite sides of a parallelogram are equal. So, 2 times AB is equal to 2 times BC. It means AB is equal to BC. So, from this and from this, AB is equal to BC is equal to CD is equal to DA. So, ABCD is a rhombus. This is what we want to prove. Now, 28th question. Prove that 2 minus root 3 upon 5 is an irrational number given that root 3 is an irrational number. Let 2 minus root 3 by 5 is a rational number. If it is a rational number, so it can be written as A by B, where A and B are co-prime positive integers. Now cross multiply it, you will get this. Then 2b minus root 3b is equal to 5a. 2b minus 5a is equal to root 3b. It means root 3 is equal to 2b minus 5a upon b. So this is a rational number and this is an irrational number. Rational number cannot be equal to an irrational number. So our supposition is wrong. 2 by root 3 by 5 is an irrational number. 29th question. If sin theta plus cos theta is equal to P and sec theta plus cosec theta is equal to Q, then prove that Q P square minus 1 is equal to 2P. Now Q P square minus 1 is equal to 2P. Substitute the values of P and Q. We have the value of P this, value of Q is this. Substitute these two values. I'll get this. Now let's start with the left hand side and I'll reach the right hand side. Now left hand side is sec theta can be written as 1 over cos theta. Cosec theta can be written as 1 over sin theta. And write the identity here minus 1. Now this take the LCM and sin square theta plus cos square theta is 1. 1 and minus 1 is cancelled here. So I'll have sin theta plus cos theta upon sin theta cos theta into 2 sin theta cos theta. Sin theta cos theta is cancelled. I'll have 2 sin theta plus cos theta. So this is equal to, so this is what we want to prove. Now 30th question, A part. Find the zeros of the polynomial 4x squared plus 4x minus 3 and verify the relationship between zeros and coefficients of the polynomial. Now this is the polynomial 4x square plus 4x minus 3. Here a is 4, b is 4, c is minus 3. Now I am going to find the zeros of this polynomial. For the zeros of the polynomial, split the middle term and you will get 4x square plus 6x minus 2x minus 3, and you will get 2x plus 3, 2x minus 1 as their factors. So px is equal to 0. So 2x plus 3, 2x minus 1 is equal to 0. So either 2x plus 3 is 0 or 2x minus 1 is 0. So value of x is minus 3 by 2, x is equal to 1 by 2. So let alpha is minus 3 by 2, beta is 1 by 2. Now find alpha plus beta. Sum of zeros, that will come out to be minus 1, and minus b by a, that is again minus 1. So alpha plus beta is equal to minus b by a. Now find alpha beta, that is equal to minus 3 by 4. C by a is again minus 3 by 4. So alpha beta is equal to c by a. Alpha plus beta is equal to minus b by a, and alpha beta is equal to c by a. That is the relationship between the zeros and coefficients of a quadratic polynomial. Now 30th question. If alpha and beta are the zeros of the polynomial x square plus x minus 2, then find the value of alpha by beta plus beta by alpha. Now x square plus x minus 2. Sum of the zeros, that is minus 1, and product of the zeros, that is minus 2. Now write alpha by beta plus beta by alpha. Take LCM alpha beta. This is alpha square plus beta square. This is the formula for this is alpha plus beta whole square minus 2 alpha beta upon alpha beta. Substitute the values. After solving this, you will get minus 5 by 2. So that is the answer. Now 31st question. A man starts his job with a certain monthly salary and earns a fixed increment every year. If his salary was 15,000 after 4 years of service and rupees 18,000 after 10 years of service, what was his starting salary and what was the annual increment? Suppose monthly salary of a man is x rupees and every year's increment is y rupees. So according to question, x plus 4y is equal to 15,000, x plus 10y is equal to 18,000. We have these two equations. By elimination method, we will find value of y as 500 and value of x as 13,000. It means salary of a man is 13,000 and his increment is 500 rupees. This is what we want to find. Section D. This section comprises long answer type questions of 5 marks each. Question number 32, A part. Find the value of k for which the quadratic equation k plus 1 x square minus 2 3k plus 1 x plus 8k plus 1 is equal to 0 has real and equal roots. If a quadratic equation has equal and real roots, that means b square minus 4ac equal to 0. Now this is a, this is b, and this is c. So substitute the values. After substituting the value and after solving this, we will get 4k, k minus 3 is equal to 0. It means either k is 0 or k is equal to 3. And we will check for these two values, the quadratic equation has equal and real roots. So this is the answer. Now question number 32, B part. A 2-digit number is such that the product of its digit is 18. When 63 is subtracted from the number, the digits interchange their places. Find the number. Let unit place of 2-digit number is x, tens place of 2-digit number is y, and the number becomes 10y plus x. xy is equal to 18. This is given to us. Now according to this question, 10y plus x minus 63 is 10x plus y. When digits are interchanged, then number becomes 10x plus y. Now solve this. After solving this, you will get one equation, minus x plus y is equal to 7. Now you have two equations. One is xy is equal to 18. The other one is minus x plus y is equal to 7. Now xy is 18, minus x plus y is equal to 7. Y is equal to 7 plus x. Substitute this value here in this, and after solving this, you will get two values. X is equal to minus 9, x is equal to 2. X cannot be minus 9. So x is equal to 2. So value of y is 18 by 2, that is 9. So number is 10y plus x, that is 92. So that is the answer. Now question number 33. The following table shows the age of patients admitted in a hospital during a year. This age is given to us and number of patients is given to us. Find the mode and mean of the data given above. I am going to find mode here. Now age is written here, number of patients is written here. And this is the model class. This is the highest frequency, so this is the model class. And this is F1, this is F0, this is F2, and this H here is 10 and L here is 35. And formula for the mode is L plus F1 minus F0 upon 2F1 minus F0 minus F2 into H. Substitute the values and solve this. You will get the answer. On the next page I have solved this. So mode here is 36.8 years. Now find the mean. I have applied the direct method. For direct method, find xi, then multiply xi fi, then add this fi. You will get mean is equal to sigma fi xi upon sigma fi. 2830 divided by 80, you will get the mean. That is 35.37 years. That is the answer. Now 34 question A part. E is a point on the side AD produced of a parallelogram ABCD and BE intersect CD at F. Show that triangle ABE is similar to triangle CFP. First you will make it yourself. Now we are to prove this small triangle and this big triangle, they are similar. In order to prove its similarity, we will prove their angles are equal. Now here angle A is equal to C. It means angle 3 is equal to 4. Now A is equal to C. Why they are equal? Because they are opposite angles of a parallelogram. Angle 1 is equal to angle 2. Why they are equal? Because they are alternate angles. So by AA criteria, triangle ABE is similar to triangle CFP. 34th question B part. Sides AB, BC and median AD of a triangle ABC are respectively proportional to sides PQ, QR and the median PM of another triangle PQR. Prove that triangle ABC is similar to triangle PQR. Now I have these two triangles ABC and PQR, where AD is median in this triangle and PM is median in this triangle. Now what is given here? AB, BC and AD is proportional to PQ, QR and PM of this triangle. So what is given here? AB upon PQ is equal to BC upon QR is equal to AD upon PM. We are to prove these two triangles are similar. First we will prove ABD is similar to PQM. For that, write this here and instead of BC, multiply numerator and denominator by half. You will get half of BC is BD, half of QR is QM. Why so? Because AD and PM are the medians. So now we have AB upon PQ is equal to BD upon QM is equal to AD upon PM. It shows ABD is similar to triangle PQM. If these two triangles are similar, then angle B is equal to angle Q. Now in triangle ABC and PQR, sides are proportional, angle is equal to angle. So by SAS criteria, triangle ABC is similar to triangle PQR. Now question number 35. The angles of depression of the top and bottom of a 50-meter high building from the top of tower are 45 degree or 60 degree respectively. Find the height of the tower. Now this is the base and BD is the building and it is 50 meter high, and this on this side AC is a tower. You all can draw this figure. Now I have taken this as H. If this is 50, this is 50. I have taken this as H and this whole height is 50 plus H. And angle of depression is 45 degree and 60 degree. If this is 45 degree, this is 45 degree, this is 60 degree, this is 60 degree. I have two triangles. One is ADE, the other one is ABC. And in triangle ADE, H upon X is equal to tan 45 degree. That means H is equal to X. And in this bigger triangle, H plus 50 upon X is equal to tan 60 degree. So I have written here in triangle this, we have this. In triangle this, we have H plus 50 upon X is equal to tan 60. इसको आप solve करते जाओगे तो आपके पास h की वैल्यू आ जाएगी विच विल बी इक्वल टू 68.25 and height of the tower is 50 plus 68.25, that is 118.25 meter. Now section E. This section comprises 3 case study based questions of 4 marks each. Case study 1, 36 question. Tamper proof Tetra Pak milk guarantees both freshness and security. This milk ensures uncompromised quality, preserving the nutritional values within and making it reliable choice for health conscious individuals. They have made these 3 figures here. So I have made rough sketch of those. 500 ml milk is packed in a cuboidal container of dimensions 15 cm into 8 cm into 5 cm. These milk packets are then packed in a cuboidal cartons of dimensions 30 cm into 32 cm into 15 cm. Based on the above given information, answer the following questions. First is find the volume of the cuboidal carton. Second is find the total surface area of a milk packet, or how many milk packets can be filled in a carton. Third, how much milk can the cup as shown in the figure hold? Now, its first is cuboidal carton has dimensions 30 cm into 32 cm into 15 cm. So volume of a cuboidal carton is length into breadth into height, that will come out to 14400 centimeter cube. Second part is total surface area of a milk packet. That is dimensions of the milk packet, that is length is 15, breadth is 8 cm and height is 5 cm. And total surface area, write the formula for that, 2 times length into breadth plus breadth into height into length. Substitute the values. That will come out to be 470 centimeter square. Its B part is how many milk packets can be filled in a carton. Number of milk packets is volume of a carton upon volume of milk packet. That will come out to be 24 packets. And third is how much milk can a cup hold. We are to find the volume of a cup. A cup is a cylindrical in shape. Here h is 7 cm and r is 5 cm. Volume of a cylinder we know pi r square h. Substitute the values. You will get 550 centimeter cube. Now case study 2. 37th question. Ryan from a very young age was fascinated by the twinkling of stars and the vastness of the space. He always dreamt of becoming an astronaut one day. So he started to sketch his own rocket design on the graph sheet. One such design is given below. ये आपका स्केच उन्होंने बना के आपको दिया है. तो यहाँ मैंने इनके कोऑर्डिनेट्स लिखे हैं. ए के कोऑर्डिनेट्स 3 and 4, जी के कोऑर्डिनेट्स 1 and 4, एफ के कोऑर्डिनेट्स -30, ई के कोऑर्डिनेट्स -50, डी के कोऑर्डिनेट्स हैं -2, -5 and coordinates of C are -1 and -2. So ये आपको फिगर दिया हुआ था, तो ये कोऑर्डिनेट्स आपने खुद लिखने हैं. तो जो मैंने यहाँ पर आपको लिख दिए हैं. Based on the above, answer the following questions. What are these questions? Now the question number 1 is find the midpoint of the segment joining F and G. Second, what is the distance between the point A and C? Or its B part is find the coordinates of the point which divides the line segment joining the points A and B in the ratio 1:3 internally. Its third part is written on the next page. On the next page, I have written the coordinates of A, G, F, E, D and C and B. And its third question is what are the coordinates of the point D? This is the third question. Now here I have written the coordinates of all these points. Its first part is find the midpoint of the segment joining F and G. Coordinates of F are -30, coordinates of G 1 and 4. Midpoint of FG. You all know how to write the midpoint. Write the midpoint, you will get the answer. Now its second part is what is the distance between the point A and C? Coordinates of A 3, 4, coordinates of C -1 and 2. The distance for write the distance formula and you will get √52. Its B part is Find the coordinates of the point which divides the line segment joining the points A and B in the ratio 1:3 internally. Now AB is the line segment, coordinates of A 3, 4, coordinates of B 3, 2, and P is the point XY. This point divides this line segment in the ratio 1:3. I am to find the coordinates of this point. Find X. You all know how to find it. That will come out to be 3. Now find Y. That will come out to be 3.5. So coordinates of P are XY, that is 3 and 3.5. And this third part is what is the coordinate of the point D, which is -2 and -5. That is the answer. Now case study 3, 38th question. Treasure hunt is an exciting and adventurous game where participants follow a series of clues, numbers, maps to discover hidden treasures. Players engage in a thrilling quest, solving puzzles and riddles to unveil the location of the coveted prize. While playing a treasure hunt game, some clues, numbers are hidden in various spots collectively, forming an AP. If the number on the nth spot is 20 plus 4n, then answer the following questions to help the players in spotting the clues. And here they have given a figure of a treasure hunt. And the questions are, number 1, which number is on the first spot? The second A part is, which spot is numbered as 112? Its OR part, B part is, what is the sum of all the numbers on first 10 spots? Which number is on the n-2th spot? So we are to answer all these questions. Now here an is equal to 20 plus 4n. Now our first question is, which number is on the first spot? Substitute n is equal to 1. So a1 is equal to 20 plus 4 into 1, that is 24. So that is the answer of our first question. Now let's find a AP. Now find A2, find A3. Your AP will become 24, 28, 32 onward. Now A is equal to 24, D is equal to 4. We have the value of A, we have the value of D. Now the second part is, which spot is numbered as 112? Now AN is equal to 112. I am to find the value of N and it will come out to be 23. So it will come out to be 23. So 23rd spot is numbered as 112. Is B part or part. Now what is the sum of all numbers on first 10 spots? Now here A is 24, D is 4, N is 10. Find the value of Sn, S10. So you all know the formula. Substitute the values, you will get 420. Sum of all the numbers on first 10 spot is 420. Its third part, which number is on n-2th spot? Now A n-2, that is A plus n-2 minus 1 D. Substitute the values and it means the answer is 4n plus 12. So that is the answer.